Hello and welcome to the Urban Fairy. This is take 30. I don't know what's wrong with me tonight. So at the end of November, I ordered a gift for a friend from Tanya at my jewelry addiction. And I just got it today because sadly when I ordered it, all kinds of strikes went on in both Canada and the States. And can I just say this though, if you're from Canada and you're ordering from the States, just be aware of this because we know the exchange is crappy. Speaking of crappy, this stand that I have for my phone does not pivot so that this stupid thing is out of the way. And I don't know who designed this, but they clearly weren't thinking about this stuff when they did. Anyway, so what was supposed to have been about $115 order with mailing to Canada turned out to be 160 something, and then I go to pick it up at the post office at the drugstore and they tacked on another $25.34 for handling and for GST. So what started out as $115 ended up being almost $200. It was really packaged nicely. Now this is what happened when I filmed it the first time. Everything was so tangled that I had to shut it down and untangle everything, which meant the element of surprise was completely obliterated from this video. And again, it is, because clearly I wasn't going to pack it up and pretend I was opening it. So I have ordered from Tanya before, and this is what I ordered the first time. Is that not beautiful? I believe it's carved from tusk, and it has the most sensational energy to it. Are you interested in knowing what I got out of this box? Well, stay tuned and we'll find out. Okay, so remembering that I ordered something special, this is a faux pearl necklace, no clasp. Oh, there's just a little hanging thing, a tag on there. Anyway, pretty. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be like a little pendant. Anyway, that silver tone chain, which I can always use when reimagining jewelry. This is lovely. I'm not sure what it's made from. It's definitely not, oh no, it is magnetic. I think it's got a coating on it, but that's still a lovely bracelet. I really like that. This bracelet is made from some alien unknown substance. I don't know what it is. It could be glass, but no, it's some kind of organic thing because of the, oh my God, it is an alien. Those are little faces. Can you see that? Ha! Oh, now I really love it. That's quirky, weird. This is a fabulous bracelet. I don't know if you can see that properly, but that's fabulous. And the clasp is the tightest clasp I think I've ever dealt with. I wasn't sure if I was going to break it trying to open it, but anyway, that's what it looks like. It feels like a Middle Eastern, Indian belly dancing, something like that, but it's really lovely. I like that. A nice necklace of shells, and the shells are facing each other, which makes a really interesting sort of pattern. A long silver tone chain with stations, looks like that. You could double it or triple it or wear it with other things. And then, oh, this beautiful, I forget what these beads are called, but they're look like fused glass, and this is really sweet. There were in all 20 items in the box, which was fantastic. For $50, it was great. These are very heavy gold tone beads. I'm not sure what they're made of because they're not magnetic at all. I have no idea, but there they are. Pretty. So in the first video, I tried to put this lovely sort of moon glow beaded bracelet on it, and I broke it. And these beads are still all over the floor, so that's worth fixing. It's really pretty. And pair of earrings, clip-ons with a patent pending. I'm sure by the look of the age of these that the patent has either been approved or long gone. Whoops. These are really, really pretty. Yeah. I'm not sure what the green ones are. I'm pretty sure the other ones are glass, but they're really pretty. And this lovely necklace that has one of those adjustable things with a tassel on the end. The feel of this is good quality. And is this the one? Yeah, it's got a little tag on it with an M, and it's a very straight M. Is that Monet? Certainly no specialist, so I don't know. Then we got this necklace, which is, look at this thing. This is really nice statement piece. Always good to have something in black. That's that. What else have we got here? Oh, this is a really pretty pendant. Let me see if I can put it on her. Yeah. Isn't that nice? It's really plain. Somebody will really love that. I myself do not wear gold. I wear silver, and I'm not sure why we do that, but we all do, don't we? This is interesting, but I think something's going on with it that I don't have time to figure out right now. Like if that were to do up, what's that stuff hanging down the back for? Sometimes I know they put like bracelets that go with a necklace. They attach them so that they don't lose their mates, but still really pretty. The color is kind of between a really pale green and a champagne, and the beads feel, no, they do feel metal, but it's very magnetic. I'm taking that with me. Anyway, with a nice tassel on the, it's just really well made. It, you know, I keep saying it doesn't matter what it is. It's, you know, if you love it and how well made it is and so on. Then this really fine, probably gold plated or gold filled chain. And I can't even tell you how fine this is. This is like that with this on the bottom. And those are, like, look at the size of that tassel. It's like half an inch. It's pretty. Some glass earrings. Really cool glass earrings. That's them. And I'd hazard a guess to say that these hooks are silver. Well, yeah, that's not sticking. They're really pretty. And what else we got here? This lovely brooch. It's got a nice amber stone in the middle. It feels like glass. And some enameling. There's a couple of stones missing, but that's nothing I can't fix. And if somebody's getting that close to you, they probably don't care. I love this. This, for me, is a keeper. It's got tiny AB crystals, really lovely dragonfly. And I'll just make this more interesting. Just don't get those little ones tangled again. Okay, what's left? 2 rings. This gold tone one, which fits. It's a very, very warm color gold. And this sweet, sweet, sweet tiny dragonfly, which is a kitty ring, because that's how far down it goes on my baby finger. And I don't think my fingers are like humongous. And there's teeny little crystals in the wings. I think that's really pretty. I put together a kid's lot with some really cool things in it. So maybe I'll just slip that in there. And then the last thing is this brooch. And I don't know if you can see, but you can see right through it. So it is carved from shell. And it's really pretty. Needs a bail, but still really. Oh no, it doesn't. I could put a bail on there though. That might be a nice pendant. So there. Now, here's the scoop. If my friend Dharma is watching this, because once in a while I think she does, you need to go now, because the gift that I bought is for you and I don't want you to see it until I see you. So if you haven't seen me yet and you're watching this, you need to go play with your cats and dogs. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is what I bought for her. Now, she is a January baby, and her stone is garnet, and she loves garnets, which works really nicely when you like your birthstone. I don't know if you can see the face carved in there. I just absolutely love it. And this is what it looks like on Linda. It's not a very long chain. I'm hoping it's okay, because the clasp is old. I haven't actually opened it yet. I'm not sure. Oh no, it's not old. It's magnetic. So let me see if I can put it on. Then she will be able to put it on. Oh, it's almost a choker. So that'll be interesting. Anyway, that's what I bought. That's what the whole thing was about, was this beautiful garnet. And I'm not sure what that would be. It might be carved bone, or it might, oh, let's see the back of it. Yeah, I think that's carved bone. So anyway, I hope she likes it, because that was a lot of work to get it here. Okay, while I'm talking to you now, I'm going to post some pictures of some of my favorite pieces that I have, because I really haven't gotten into selling yet. I'm just collecting and learning, and I'm not in a hurry. Maybe one day, I work in the arts, so maybe one day I can retire, and this will be my, I love that this has faces on it. Sorry, that's so cool. Maybe one day if I retire, I'll get busy selling it. And honestly, the jewelry is small, but it's starting to take over, so I need to do something. Here's the thing. So if garnet is my friend Dharma's birthstone, what's yours? And do you love it? Do people always give you your birthstone and you're rolling your eyes, not thrilled with that? Because there is something called the Celtic tree alphabet, and it ascribes to people a metal, a name of a month, a color, an attribute, and a stone. and they're different from the regular astrology ones. And I know for me, it really resonates. So my next video, I'm going to let you know what yours is. The dates aren't the same as astrology. It's not like the 21st-ish to the 20th-ish. They're different. So you have to pay attention. But you might just find that the stone you're attracted to, for instance, I'll tell you what mine is. My month is called Sale, and I might be saying them all wrong. My tree, oh yeah, you get a tree too, is willow, which it always has been. In fact, I had a nickname, Salix, and that means willow in Latin. My attribute is supposedly enchantment. My metal is silver, yes. And my stone is moonstone, and that's what I wear most of the time. That's backwards. That's my moonstone, and I have other pieces of moonstone, and it definitely does resonate with me. And I don't know if you can see the blue flash in that. I bought this when I was poor. It was $35. I bought it from Bee and her husband, who I can't remember his name, and they would make jewelry and sell it at the market, and $35 then was a huge expenditure. My husband was going to teacher's college, and I don't know if I still feel guilty, but I wear this a lot, and I missed one. Oh, my color is haze, which is a really pale purple, which is kind of the color of the streak in my hair right now, not by anything natural. So next time, look for it. I'm going to walk you through the Celtic tree alphabet and maybe give you some insight on things that are more close to your heart than the ones that you read in astrology. Not that I'm not into astrology, because I am. However, especially if your background is Celtic, British Isles, Ireland, Scotland, Wales, for sure, join me and find out what they are and see if it matches up with what you love. So that's all I've got. No more. And thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time.